How to create a new calendar or schedule in Timetree. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to create a new calendar or schedule in Timetree. So for that case, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, you need to go and log in into your Timetree account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. And while you're on this page, tap the image icon located in the top left hand side corner of your screen. When you do that, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find the type of calendar that you have. And if you wish to create a new one, then you can find list of suggestions or recommended. Then you can select either one of it. I'm gonna go with roommate, and when you do that, you go ahead and click on create calendar. As you do that, it's gonna take you to the page where you can start creating your account. So as you can see, just by tapping in one shot, I've created my account. So likewise, you can go ahead and send an invitation to your friends or family just by tapping on a send invitation button. And when you do that, you can send it on different platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook, wherever you wish to. So that's how you can create a new calendar or schedule Timetree. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.